Siyempre, natutuwa ako kay Boss Vic, sa buong Viva family ko, and they allow me to really be involved sa sa pagtakbo ng karera ko. Yun nga lang, pagpapasensyahan talaga ako. Ewan ko kung hanggang saan yung pasensya nila sa akin kasi talagang nandoon pa lang ako sa natututo pa lang ako at siyempre minsan, paano kaya kung hindi mag-work to? Ay, hindi, wag na lang yan. Yung ganon, wala pang diretso na, ito yung gusto ko. Wala pang ganon eh.
Michael, pamarinig niya lahat. Hindi lang natin i-record. We are asking for extra rehearsals, just piano rehearsals with Louie Ocampo. Para nga lang mas set sa kanya. Hindi siya ninervyusin ng masyado.
Oh. Not all artists ask for that, but si Sarah did. So, you know, she always does. So, parang it's nice kasi na parang she can run through the whole show. Miski walang banda, miski ako lang. And she can pace herself. She'll know how to pace herself. Pero yung mga rehearsal namin yun, after one song, kwentuhan. One song, kwentuhan. One song, kwentuhan. Saya. Patay ka kapag naalala mo sa show. Matatawa ka lang. Hindi. Yung sa akin nagtatak. Tingin ko creep. Iba eh. Na makita mo si Sarah kumakanta na I'm a creep, I'm a weirdo. Yung lyrics lang. It's not her usual tweetums, sweet, safe. It's a different side of her. You know, si Sarah is the type na I don't have to prove anything anymore. Wala, she's been there, done that.
She worked very closely with Louie Ocampo. So, masasabi mong, kumbaga parang siya nag-author nito. It's really her concert. We're trying to pace her right now kasi we want to make sure na hindi siya masyadong mahihirapan. It's right now nga nagsasabi siyang hirap, ganon. Pero knowing Sarah kasi, she will still pass this with flying colors.
Everything's going very well, so we expect to have a nice run through on the next rehearsal, and that's it.